They're small, quick, and full of life. Meet the chipmunk, the tiny forest hero who never stops moving. Cute, clever, and surprisingly tough. There's more to these little creatures than meets the eye. Chipmunks belong to the squirrel family, but unlike their tree-dwelling cousins, they love the ground. Their cheeks, nature's built-in grocery bags. A single chipmunk can carry dozens of seeds at once, all tucked inside those stretchy cheek pouches. Chipmunks build their homes underground, a maze of tunnels that can stretch over 30 feet long. Inside, they store nuts, seeds, and berries to survive the long winter months. Some even have special sleeping chambers lined with leaves for extra warmth. It's like a miniature apartment hidden right beneath your feet. Chipmunks are tiny, but they play a big role in the ecosystem by storing and forgetting some of their seeds. They help new trees grow. In a way, they're little gardeners of the forest, spreading life wherever they go. Did you know? There are about 25 species of chipmunks, and most live in North America. They can run up to 21 kilometers per hour. And even though they seem shy, they're actually quite curious and fearless when it comes to finding food. Small, brave, and endlessly charming. Chipmunks remind us that even the tiniest creatures can make a big impact. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and explore more wonders of nature with Chill Nature.